Howdy, another fix your Jeep videos. So if you guys are watching this, and probably you are here because your coolant container is broken. Mine has a fracture here, if you can see this. Yeah, so this was leaking, so I ordered one online. I got a new one. So this is your part number. I believe I paid $50 for it. So the trick to remove this, I did see online videos. A gentleman actually removed the plug here, and then another one actually removed the plug here. But in both of the videos, when those gentlemen were removing it, they showed how to remove this plug. So what I did right now is, I don't think you need to remove the whole clampings here. It's pretty easy if you just loosen this clip and slowly wiggle this out. So it sits right up here. So, and you need to bend this tab a little. So your 10 mm bolt right there. So it sits right up here. That's your 10 mm bolt. So once you get through your 10 mm bolt, try to wiggle it up. Try to wiggle it up a little so that you can place this over this way. You can place it over and you'll get access to this particular plug, right? So slowly what I would do is loosen this clamp. It sits right there. So I would use a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, slowly loosen them up. Once this is loosened, I would slowly wiggle it and walk it up. So walk it up back. It's pretty smooth right from there. You don't have to mess with the clamps and get all your coolant leaking everywhere. Right now I think I found a much better and easier solution. Let me know how it works for you guys. So here's your new guy. So this is a 3.6 coolant box. I believe the 2 liters are black in color. I think they are a little bit more, I believe it's intensified. I think it's not translucent. Mine's a 3.6, so I have a translucent box coming through. So all I now need is to loosen the clamp and lock it in there and ensure the rest fits perfectly fine. Just to show you guys how this actually fits back in, so that sometimes reverse engineering works. So this is you snuggling it out. So you take your box and slowly snug fit it back inside it. So this is how it finally sits. Just remember the clip that I told you about, right? So this clip, it does not automatically pop. So you have to actually push it back inside. So I was thinking it will actually pop, but the moment there is the, let me show you this. The moment you realize this groove is sitting, all you have to do is pop the clip from the back. So pop the clip inside and it's good to go, it's locked. Don't expect the clip to automatically pop itself inside, okay? So this is how it looks right now. Topped off the fluids, everything looks to be good. Let's get this clip down. This is my daughter's. She loves to keep it on the Jeep. The Jeep looks ready to go for a ride.